Hi everyone. In this video I will go briefly over how to analyze the data in Tableau. So some of you asked the question, which data set are we supposed to analyze for Tableau? So you were already able to analyze or to come up with the query answers using the data set. So the data set was already here. So then actually you are going to use the same data set that you run the SQL queries with. So it is up to you to look at these data sets here and to look at those tables, and as the description of the case shows, you can actually open those tables and look at their content and their description, because some of them they have different some specific meaning and description for each of those fields. So you can look at that and then decide which table you are interested in analyzing and what is the idea that you want to present in a visualization format. Another way is actually to create your own query or use some of the queries that you already created. So it is up to you, and you can use your own judgment. Let's say that you are interested in analyzing data that is in the flight table. So in this case, what you can do, actually you can export this table. So now I can just go to external data and go to Excel, export it as Excel file. So I'll just save it here and I will say yes. So now it is already saved for me, and I can just open Tableau and then import it from there. So I can just go to Excel and then let's say the flight, that was the one that I wanted to analyze. I will just drag it and drop it like the same way we did in class the other day. So this is just an example, but you got the idea. Let's say so this is if we are importing or exporting a file, but if let's say that you have also one of the queries the same way, you can just go to external data and then import that and actually export that and just import it into Tableau the same way we did earlier. You can just go to Excel and the query one and so on. So you get the idea. I hope this kind of helps explain how to or which data or how to get the data. So you already worked with this file and you are already familiar with it. So this is what we mean. All right, I'll talk to you later.